Hello, my name is Sandra, owner and founder of the Sassy Club, a paper crafting company. A little background on my story. Planning for me started as an outlet for anxiety and stress. It was a way for me to get away from the problems of the day and organize my thoughts and schedule. My passion for paper crafting extends beyond just stamping and scrapbooking and also consists of planning and bullet journaling. I love putting pen to paper and watching it come to life. Planning became my happy place, and not simply just a plan, but also as an excuse to pull out all of my art supplies and just have fun. I found that coloring and doodling in my planner not only helped to relax my mind, but it gave me the creative outlet I was so desperately in need of. As a creative, I love to make things cute, fun, and unique to me. I just had one problem. Every planner I tried had paper that couldn't hold up to my art supplies. Not to mention, the planners were overly designed and forced me to cover up the portions I just didn't like. I knew there had to be a better way, and I was determined to find it. Introducing the Sassy Planner. So let's dive in. The Sassy Planner is minimally designed for maximum creativity. Plan when you want to plan. Undated monthly, so no more wasted planner pages. Minimalist calendar lines allow you to truly design outside of the box. These lines will be a lighter gray for the final printing production. Undated weekly pages as well, featuring dot grids to help keep your work aligned. I love using Sharpies. Don't compromise on your way of doing things in this planner. There's no bleed through or shadowing with this paper, just endless artistic possibilities. Whether you want to color, doodle, or stamp, you can do it all. So go crazy and have fun. There are notes pages at the start of each month. Our notes pages allow you to take notes without removing the fun. Use these pages for brainstorming, doodling, color swatches. The possibilities are endless. The monthly coloring pages are my way of adding a little bit of fun and whimsy to our planner, and it's a great place to practice your coloring skills. Now let me show you what I love to do with the Sassy Planner.
Perfect. No, that's imaginary, but I'm a masterpiece. You know I do it for me. And all my colors and paints, all my lines and my shapes, every move that I make, I am not basic, it's self-explanatory. I am a masterpiece. You know I do it for me.
Get the Sassy Planner at the discounted price of only $59, or get both color versions plus a stamp set for $115. Please read the campaign description for production adjustments. The Sassy Planner. Plan without limits. We appreciate you backing our campaign and won't let you down. Tag us on Instagram at The Sassy Planner or visit our shop, thesassyclub.com.